Imagine octopuses unscrewing a jar to get its dinner, or a crow getting a stick to pull food out from its tube. Some crows can even remember faces. These aren't scenes from movies, they're real life things. Today I will be telling you about how animal intelligence is seen through problem-solving skills, communication, their self-awareness, and their empathy. Many animals use tools and reasonings just like we do. For example, a National Geographic study done by Douglas Main, a New Caledonia crow, have been seen shaping wires and hooks to grab grubs from underneath the floor. This is like how humans used to carve shapes and spears back then. Another example, again shown by National Geographic, author Mac Plan describes how octopuses in Indonesia are often seen on the floor with shells above their head, tiptoeing throughout to protect themselves from predators. This is really showing us how resourceful animals can truly be, aside from us. And this is just amazing because most people wouldn't think like that animals can possibly do that. Another study from Dolphin Communication Project, reported by Rebecca Dozenebeck, shows that dolphins use a special whistle to identify themselves and convey information to others. This whistle is very important because dolphins often responded to it with enthusiasm whenever that whistle of theirs was called. Parrots show impressive communication skills in a study by Twezer Revola and colleagues, comparing how productive vocabulary of gray parrots is to young children. African gray parrots use words in meaningful ways. As we know, parrots are often projected to be dumb. Or whenever you hear the movies talking about how parrots only see crackers and things like that. This is actually wrong, and parrots were often seen to have more object labels than children were. They gave objects more personification than children would. And this is very amazing to me because it really shows how parrots can advance if they get the right and the proper education. Some animals also show emotional understanding and a sense of self, such as the Asian elephant. According to the University of Cambridge study, the body awareness adds to increased evidence of the intelligence and recognizes themselves in mirrors. The elephants were often seen touching spots you could only see on mirrors. This really amazes me because it really shows that they are very in their body and self-aware, compared to predators such as the jaguar, which would just hiss at the mirror. Dogs demonstrate empathy as well. In the article A Shoulder to Cry On by Maurizio L., dogs were more likely to approach owners when they were sad or crying. They often made more eye contact and cuddled with the owner more than when they were speaking neutral or laughing. And this shows that dogs can sense and report to human emotions. Animal intelligence makes us think about what it really means to think and feel. We've seen that animals can solve problems, communicate, and even show emotion and empathy. This really amazes me as a person because I see how animals aren't just objects. They're real life people that are just as intelligent as us. Not people, but yeah. And as Jean Godel once said, we are not the only ones who can bring personality, minds, and feelings. And so, yeah, thank you.